Let's make it drip all over the pipe. So this car was burning, like it was tearing pipes up because of the oil. Obviously oil will be on the top, because it always floats atop water. So it was damaging pipes like no one's business. So hence we are here. So yeah, this is the sludge that we are currently seeing. Would you like that peanut butter in your engine? Not so nice. What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Fistomatic once again. Yeah, it's happening again guys. Okay, we're in the series of the Getz, right? I already cleaned everything out. Yeah, it's ready to assemble the cylinder head to the block. Okay, so yeah, we went on and skimmed. I did a pressure test on this cylinder head, and then we found nothing wrong with the cylinder head except it was warped. As you can see right here, it's machined, mirror finish, ne? It's very nice, right? So we just machined, we skimmed the cylinder head. Okay, so right now I had to buy a new cylinder, a new intake manifold, because the other one was perished. It had cuts. So yeah, let me carry on guys, because I believe I left the video here while we were taking this thing to engineering. So let's take it back. all I have to do is replace a coolant pipe. It's the bottom one. It's the one that comes from the bottom. Excuse the mess, guys. And I also cleaned this. It was black. Okay, so I need to remove this coolant pipe, cause can you see it's talking now? It's not supposed to talk because coolant is gonna come out of here. Can you see? It's worse for wear. So I have to take it out down there. So bear with me. We've got a new one. The one that you've been seeing all over the video. It's the new one. So this car was mixing coolant and oil. Only on the radiator on this side. It was mixing on this side. So on the sump it wasn't mixing. So yeah. It was the cylinder head, it was skew, so we had to skim it. So yeah, guys, can you see the sludge there? Okay, let me move you into the sunlight so you can see everything. There we go. Can you see that? Huh? Let's make it drip all over the pipe. So this car was burning, like it was tearing pipes up because of the oil. Obviously oil will be on the top because it always floats atop water. So it was damaging pipes like no one's business. So hence we are here. So yeah, this is the sludge that we are currently seeing. Yeah? Would you like that peanut butter in your engine? Not so nice. So this is where we are at now. We're installing the set. Let me move you a little bit. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. Yeah. Let me see. I think, guys, you can see. Okay. So right now we're moving on. We're fitting Mr. Cylinder head here. Okay. By the way, this is the gasket. It's not a cylinder head. Yeah? Not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, there's my dipped head bolt.